channel. I just washed my hair, so I'm going to be doing a twist out so that I can rock this twist out tomorrow. So I'm going to be using my Pattern Styling Cream. I'm also going to be using my Indian Hemp Blue Magic, and I'm going to be using a little bit of the Argan Oil Snot. And I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this twist out. So I'm gonna start off with a small section at a time. Okay, so I just wanted to pop back in and have a little discussion with you guys. So I'm always trying a combination of products just to see which combinations work. Will I get flaking if I combine these two products? So I decided to record this. Usually I do this, but I don't record it. So I'm mixing Pattern Styling Cream with the Argan Oil Snot just to see if these two combinations will flake. Will it give me a lot of definition or not so much definition? What I realized is the Snot definitely gives my hair definition, a lot of definition. The styling cream, not so much, but the Snot definitely does. After I mix these two products together, when I unravel the twist, you can't see the flaking. Like if you're looking at from a distance, you can't really see the flaking. But if you come up close, like really, really close, like too close, like stay away 6 feet. If you come up really close, you will be able to see the flaking. And also if you wear like black, or like if you have on a black shirt, you'll definitely see the flaking by mixing these two products. I think next time I'm going to definitely try the Snot by itself just to see what the results would be just with the Snot. But I did like the results. I did like how it turned out, and I will be rocking this twist out for the week until I wash my hair again, because I really liked how it turned out. So as you can see right now, I'm just applying the styling cream to my hair, and then I'm applying a little bit of the Snot and then the Blue Magic to my scalp. Okay, so it's the next day. I'm about to take out my twist. really love the definition that I got from this twist out. I'm just gonna let them fluff out on their own. You can go ahead and separate them if you would like, but I don't like to separate my hair because then it just messes up the definition. So I go ahead and leave it fluff out on its own, and then I use my pick and fluff it out a little more, but I'm not separating them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, so this is my twist out 3 days later. As you can see, it's nice and fluffed out.